Rust is gaining traction as a systems programming language, known for its impressive speed and safety features. In today's software landscape, where performance and security are critical, Rust stands out, offering a unique blend of low-level control and high-level convenience. Learning to build apps with Rust and effectively leveraging crates for dependency management is key to harnessing its full potential. By understanding these concepts, you'll be equipped to create robust and efficient applications. Now that we've established Rust's importance, let's dive into some common challenges beginners face. One major hurdle is managing dependencies and understanding the modular structure of Rust code. This is where crates come in, acting as building blocks for your applications. They help you organize your code into reusable modules and simplify dependency management. By leveraging crates, you can focus more on writing your application logic and less on the intricacies of integrating external libraries. It's a game changer for accelerating your development process. All right, now that we've touched on the challenges, let's explore how crates simplify Rust development. Crates are Rust's way of organizing code into packages that manage dependencies efficiently. Think of them as libraries you can pull into your project to add functionality without reinventing the wheel. Integrating a crate is straightforward. You just declare it in your cargo.toml file, like so, and Cargo handles the rest. This approach not only keeps your project modular, but also ensures that you can leverage community-driven solutions easily. Now that we understand crates, let's jump into the fun part, coding. We'll start by setting up a new Rust project using Cargo. Simply run the command cargo new my_rust_app. This creates a basic Rust project structure for us. Next, we'll use crates.io to find a useful crate, like rand for random number generation. Add it to your cargo.toml file under dependencies, and Cargo takes care of fetching it. Finally, let's see how we can use this crate in our main.rs to generate a random number. It's that simple. Great. Now let's talk about some mistakes to avoid when working with crates. A frequent issue is mismatching crate versions, which can lead to compatibility problems. Ensure your cargo.toml specifies the correct version range for each dependency, like rand or cert. Another common pitfall is incorrect configurations within cargo.toml or forgetting to update your project dependencies. Regularly running cargo update helps maintain the latest versions where appropriate, preventing unexpected behavior in your applications. Awesome job making it to the end. We've covered how to set up a Rust app using crates, explored dependency management, and even tackled some common errors to avoid. Now, it's your turn to dive deeper and perhaps start a project of your own. Remember, Rust has a vibrant community and tons of resources. So experiment, explore, and learn more. If you have any questions or insights, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.